You're welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is Learn French with Queen. In case this is the first time you're tuning in and you're stumbling on my video, yeah, on this platform we learn French. So this is what we do on this platform. Okay, it's for French lovers. If you're a French lover, I say quick welcome. Okay, so on this platform we learn French, and our learning encompasses the reading, speaking, and the writing skill. So we learn by having fun. We try to look at some amazing ways of learning French language in such a way that we can have fun while learning as well. So we don't rush it on this platform, we take it gradually. Okay, so do it to check out my videos, do give them a thumbs up, share to loved one, and do subscribe. Okay, so in today's video we'll be looking at another topic again. We'll be looking at some domestic animals around us, and we're looking at their names in French and in English language. So it's quite important that we learn everything around us. So when we are learning a language, we are not just restricted to a particular thing. We are meant to know everything. So this time around we'll be having fun by learning some domestic animals. Okay, so I'll be telling us some of the domestic animals that we can find around us, their names in French and their names in English language. So we have the first one here. We have le coq, which actually means cock as well in English language. We have coq, le coq in French. Okay, so we have another one which is la poule. Of course, that's the female of cock, which simply means hen. Okay, so we have another one here which is le cochon, which simply means pig. Le cochon, pig. So pig is a domestic animal, not the wild animal. Okay, so we have them around, people rear them. Okay, so we have le rat, which simply means rat. So we have le rat. Some even keep rat as a pet. Okay, so whichever. So rat means rat in English language. So we have le lapin. Le lapin simply means rabbit. Le lapin. And some as well keep rabbit as a pet. So whichever is a domestic animal. Okay, so we have l'escargot. So l'escargot simply means a snail. For those who love to take snail, so snail in French language simply means escargot. Okay, we have another one which is la dinde. La dinde, which simply means turkey. So turkey actually means la dinde in French language. Okay, so we have la souris. La souris, which simply means mouse. So when you see those mouse around, so mouse simply means la souris in French language. So we have le chat. Le chat simply means cat. People don't really like cats, maybe because it has a big eyes at night and their eyes are usually sharp and bright. Okay, but some people love them as pets as well, so they are domestic as well. So cat actually means le chat in French language. Okay, so we have another one which is le chien. Le chien, which simply means dog. So basically in Africa, I think most people tend to make dog as a pet, unlike in other countries, in other continents of the world. Okay, some other continents of the world, there are some things that they make as pet, and you're wondering that in this my region, people here wouldn't even make this kind of thing a pet. Okay, but mostly here in Africa, we have so many people use dog as a pet. So dog simply means le chien. Okay, so you could have that as a pet, the domestic animal as well. Okay, so we have le mouton, which simply means sheep in English language. So le mouton is sheep, and we have oiseau, which simply means bird that flies on the air. So we have them as domestic animals. So we have le poisson, that's for fish. So the fish that we eat in the water, in pools, whatever. So it's called le poisson. Le poisson simply means fish and domestic animal as well. Okay, so we have la chèvre, which simply means a she goat. Yeah, a she goat, a goat. Okay, a she, which simply means la chèvre. And the name for it is called le bouc. Le bouc, which simply means an e-goat. An e-goat. Okay, so it's a domestic animal. We have another one here which is le canard. Le canard, which simply means duck. duck. Okay, duck. It's been a while I've seen a duck. Duck love swimming inside the water, and so they are lovely, they are beautiful. The domestic animal as well. But then, do you have duck around you? Do you see them regularly? I mean, it's been a while I've seen duck. Yeah. So the domestic animal. Okay, so we have lavash, which simply means cow. Lavash, which simply means cow. Okay, so cow is lavash in French language. So we have le bœuf, which simply means the male of a cow. So le bœuf means cow, but it's a male, while la vache is female for a cow. Okay, so let's look at another one. We have la tortue, which simply means tortoise or tortoise. Okay, so I've seen two English words that some call it tortoise, some call it tortoise. Okay, so that's for tortoise or tortoise, whichever form of the English that is being called. So it is called la tortue in French language. It's also a domestic animal. So we have le lézard, which simply means lizard, which is le lézard. Okay, so it's a domestic animal. So we have le serpent, which simply means a serpent. Okay, so I was wondering, the serpent, is it a domestic animal? Why are you using the serpent is a domestic animal? Well, we find it around us. It's not always in extinction, so you can always see snakes or serpents around us. Okay, so they are domestic animals. These are few among so many of these domestic animals we have. So I hope you'll be able to take them gradually, because we don't rush it on this platform. Okay, so I hope you know some of these domestic animals now. You know them, that okay, these are domestic animals and these are their names in French and in English language. I hope you find this video useful so that you can familiarize yourself with the domestic animals around and the names they are called in French language. So do well to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Do share to loved one, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you till my next time. À bientôt.